Hi everyone, welcome back to our crochet corner. Today we're going to make this super cute little flower pendant, perfect as a bag charm, a necklace, or even a handmade gift for someone special. It's simple, fun, and totally beginner friendly. So grab your yarn, your hook, and let's get started. And hey, if you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon for more cozy crochet projects. Let's crochet with love. For round 1, we'll begin with a magic ring and crochet 6 single crochets into it. Imzar 6SC. Pull the ring tight and slip stitch to close. Tip: don't pull the ring too tightly yet, so it's easier to work the next round. You're doing amazing already. Keep going. Next, for round 2, we'll crochet the petals. Repeat the following 6 times. Chain 19, slip stitch, slip stitch. This will create those long, loopy flower petals. Tip: keep your chains loose for smooth, even petals. Great job, just 4 more steps to go. Time to add structure. We'll insert a thin wire here to shape the flower. Now work this sequence 6 times. 9SC, 3SC in the same stitch, 9SC. Wrap your stitches over the wire to hold it in place. Tip: use floral wire or any bendable wire for the best result. Your flower is blooming beautifully. Now let's make the flower center. Into a magic ring, crochet 6 single crochets MR6SC, then continue with 6 SC around. Use yellow yarn for the front side. This will add that sunny look. You're almost done. How exciting. Let's repeat the same steps, but this time with green yarn. This green circle will go on the back to cover the wire and give a neat finish. Simply sew or glue it in place when you're done. Tip: a hot glue gun works great for secure attachment. You did it! Let's make a lovely little leaf now. Start by chaining 18, CH18. We'll be working back along this chain to shape the leaf. Here we go. Along the chain SLS, SC, HDC, 3DC, HDC, SC, Celeste, SC, HDC, 3DC, HDC, SC, and finally Celeste, Ich, Celeste, to finish the tip. Tip: turn your hook at the end to curve the leaf naturally. Isn't that adorable? Let's move on. Time for some love. Into a magic ring. Each H3. 5 treble crochets, 3 double crochets, chain 1, 1 treble crochet, chain 1, 3 DC, 5 TR, CH3, and slip stitch to finish the heart shape. Tip: use pink or red yarn for a classic heart look. Next, crochet a string of about 110 to 120 chains for hanging the pendant. This part is so sweet and makes your pendant unique. And just like that, your little flower pendant is complete. Doesn't it look absolutely adorable? Thank you so much for crocheting with me today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share with your crafty friends. Until next time, keep creating and keep smiling. Happy crocheting.